Sweta. Hello. Sweta Suresh, are you there?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Don't leave them at any cost. Meet. Okay. See. Last class, maybe Suresh sir, he completed Cayley-Hamilton theorem and actually eigenvalues, eigenvectors were repeated. Now we are going to yes.
Yes, sir. We did Cayley-Hamilton theory.
Okay, Cayley-Hamilton theorem completed. Cayley-Hamilton, what he is telling? Every matrix satisfies its characteristic equation. So put lambda is equal to A, and verify the Cayley-Hamilton. That story over. Now today we deal actually in properties of eigenvalues. Properties of eigenvalues. Just you can see. Properties of eigenvalue. Suppose if I have a n by n matrix, how many eigenvalues I will have? Characteristic equation order is what? What is the order of the characteristic
N,
equation? N. How many roots I will get?
N.
3 generally.
N. Suppose 3 by 3 means?
3 roots.
3
Eigenvalues.
Guarantee it should be square matrix only, no doubt. Correct? From this we
Yes,
can
sir.
frame the equation, we can solve. Now generally I start with actually n by n. Slowly I will reduce to 3 by 3. Only we deal with 3 by 3. I don't want to confuse n order actually, nth order. Okay, suppose if it is nth order means what? The matrix A is nth order means what? You will have eigenvalues lambda 1, lambda 2, so on, lambda n. N eigenvalues will have. Correct? Suppose if you consider 3 by 3 means what? Suppose is I don't want to say 3 by 3 because square means already I told you third order is taken for granted 3 by 3. Correct? If third order means suppose if A matrix lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. Agree? Whatever may be values, you forget about. Don't worry about the values. You have the 3 values. You can call them lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose if A is a lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 means what? A transpose also same thing you will get. If A eigenvalues are lambda 1, lambda 2 means A transpose also lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. Just note down all note. Suppose A square how you will get? Now, if A eigenvalue lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, A transpose also lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, A square you will get lambda 1 square, comma, lambda 2 square, lambda 3 square. Now A cube what you will get, tell me?
So lambda 1 cube, lambda 2 cube, lambda 3 cube.
Lambda
1 cube, lambda 2 cube, and lambda
whatever.
3 cube.
2A what you will get actually? 2A.
So same, sir. Lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda.
Gamma.
2 lambda 1, 2 lambda 2, 2 lambda 3.
So, Ka means what I will get? K lambda 1, K lambda 2, K lambda 3. Suppose if I ask A plus I, what I will get? Okay, a plus 2i you can take if you want. For a plus 2i, what you will get?
Lambda 1 plus 2i, lambda 2 plus 2i.
No, I is a matrix means I'm adding I because just remember I'm not able
Lambda
to
1 plus 2i only, and
2i.
lambda 2 and lambda 3.
Lambda 1 plus 2.
Lambda 1 plus 2 enough. Correct?
Lambda 1 plus 2, lambda 2 plus 2, lambda 3.
Lambda 1 plus 2, lambda 2 plus 2,
Lambda 3 plus 2.
lambda
3 plus 2.
3 plus 2. Suppose a plus ki means what you will get?
So lambda
Lambda
1 plus
plus
a,
a.
lambda 2 plus k,
Lambda 1 plus k,
lambda 2 plus k,
lambda 2 plus k,
lambda 3 plus k.
lambda 3 plus k.
So you're out of the screen, sir.
What?
Sir, out of the screen ratio, sir. The screen you're projecting.
Are you zooming?
Yes, sir. Sir, it's zoomed in, sir. It's going out of the screen.
Okay,
So whatever
okay.
you're writing is just going out of the screen.
Okay. But for me, okay, it's showing.
So the
Yes,
last
it's
portion,
visible,
the very last portion, sir.
Okay, this is not okay, yeah?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Up to here, okay, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this I don't use.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Suppose in notes you can write a, last you can write a plus ki. In notes you can take actually because mode is not available, I'm not writing there. Suppose if I a square plus 2a plus 3a, whatever they tell me for this.
Lambda 1
Lambda 1 plus
square.
1 square plus
Hey,
lambda 2 plus
think and tell, don't hurry.
Lambda
so
1
lambda
square
1 plus 1 whole
2
square of
lambda
lambda 1 plus 1, and similarly whole square of lambda 2 plus 1 and lambda 3 plus 1.
What lambda 2 plus lambda? I'm not getting.
No, sir. What I'm saying is whole square of lambda 1 plus 1.
That you can tell lambda 1 square. Don't use bombarding language, I will confuse. Lambda 1 square plus. Tell me.
lambda 1 square plus
2
plus
plus 3.
2 lambda
Plus 2 lambda plus 3.
plus 3 lambda.
Plus 3. Plus 3. Plus
Lambda
3.
1.
plus 3.
Lambda 1, that is one fellow actually. For a whole matrix, this is the one eigenvalue. You can find out other two also. Reaching or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, how you will get, tell me now slowly. Lambda 1 square
Lambda 1 square plus
2
2
lambda
lambda
3. This is one fellow. Another fellow, how it will appear?
Lambda 2 square plus 2 lambda 2 plus 3.
Another fellow. So this, now we are clear. Whatever may be can able to attack. Correct? Note down up to here fast.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Hey Francis, what happened? யாரும் இருக்க மாட்டாங்க தெரியல. அப்புறம் எங்க போட்டு வா, நம்ம கிளாஸ் எடுக்கலாம், சோஷியல் கிளாஸ் எடுக்கலாம். நாங்க ஆயுதம் Now, okay, yeah. Now, come on. Next thing I want to tell you, important thing. Suppose A is the third order I am telling you. How many eigenvalues I will have? 3 eigenvalues.
3.
Say lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. Correct? Now, Shreba, you have cleared this. Sorry. One thing I forgot. Very important. For A inverse, how I will get?
One by lambda 1, 1 by lambda 2.
Very good. But A inverse is not a meaning of 1 by A. Correct?
Yes,
But actually, you will get one theorem you are studied. By 1 by lambda, tell me. A inverse means it doesn't mean 1 by A. Right or wrong? A inverse, how you will find out?
Yes, sir.
A inverse, how you will find out?
Adjoint of A by 1 by det of A.
What?
So adjacent A by determinant of A.
Adjoint of A by determinant of A. That
Determinant
is
of
also a matrix, so it's not a reciprocal, correct? But why we are telling 1 by lambda 1? Can you tell anyone? Can you say anyone of you explain? It's correct, absolutely correct, no doubt. If you knowing or without knowing, you are given wrong, correct, right answer. But why?
Sir, A into A inverse equal to
Very
1.
good, nice, excellent, sir. What is your name?
Shashank, sir.
Prashant, super. Nice explanation. A into A inverse is equal to I. So from this I am finding correct. So excellent, sir. Nice. Thank you. 1 by lambda 1, comma 1 by lambda 2, 1 by lambda 3. Note down fast. See, yesterday I uploaded in your classroom one playlist. That playlist will contain all your classroom videos. And if you go to the channel, another separate matrices is there. Separately, I have done matrices for separate for all universally. That also you can do. Classroom is if it is classroom. Full chapter is separately, every unit separate. That also you can check if you want. Clear up? Share above?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Copy.
Yes, sir.
Now, yes. Suppose A is a third order. Sum of the eigenvalues will give the trace. Sum of the diagonal elements. Trace means already I told you now. A11. Very important, sir. The sum of the you write clearly. You don't write E values. I am lazy fellow, just I am writing E values. You can write eigenvalues. Sum of the eigenvalues is what? Lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3 is equal to what? Sum of the diagonal elements. Correct? Then product of the eigenvalues. Product of eigenvalues. Lohit Kumar, what do you want? Okay. Product of eigenvalues, what you will get? Product of eigenvalues, lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 is equal to determinant of A. Very important. Sum of the eigenvalues are what, sir? Tell me.
Sum of diagonal.
Sum of diagonal elements.
Trace.
Trace of the matrix.
Principal diagonal. Correct? A11 plus A22
Yes, sir,
plus
yes, sir.
A3. Then product of the eigenvalues are what?
It's
This
the
is
determinant
basic
of
Determinant of A.
determinant of
A. Correct? Then I want to tell you, yeah. Suppose one matrix if I have like this 1, 2, 3, 0, 5, 6, 0, 5, 6, 0, 0, 3. Correct? This is Upper triangle, lower triangle matrix. This is
Upper triangle.
Upper triangle.
Upper triangle.
suppose if diagonal below diagonal all elements are 0 or above diagonal all elements are 0 means what? You can taken for granted as a diagonal elements
Yes,
are
sir.
the eigenvalues. Taken for granted. Correct? Huh? So
So if
diagonal-
any of the side is 0, we will take them as eigenvalues.
upper triangle or lower triangle. Suppose if it is scalar matrix means what? Not scalar. Diagonal matrix is taken for granted that fellow is eigenvalue.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Any one side, both sides also 0. If diagonal matrix means what? Happily you can say this fellow is this. Or upper triangle or lower triangle also happily you can say diagonal elements are the eigenvalues.
Okay, sir.
Maybe MCQ they will argue. Give the matrix, find the eigenvalues means what you people will try. S1, S2, S3, then solving it will take 3 hours. Not required. Looking the matrix you can say. What is the eigenvalues here?
153.
Very good. Job is over. Because we know that actually. Correct? So upper triangle or lower triangle means what? Diagonal elements you can taken for granted as a eigenvalue. Any doubt up here clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, clear.
That property is okay. You will read A square means what you know, A inverse means what you know, A plus K means what you know, A square plus 2, A plus 4, A means whatever may be able to. But these two things are very, very important. Sum of the eigenvalues are what? Sum of the diagonal elements. Product of the eigenvalues are what? Determinant of that matrices. Whatever may be order, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, 6 by 6, 7 by 7, whatever may be, this is the way. Correct, sir? Any problem?
No, problem, sir.
No problem,
Okay.
sir. No problem.
Now we do some problems now. Slowly we can do. But based on this, now we have to attack. Okay. Come on. If 2 and 3, take down. If 2 and 3, shall I run off, sir?
Yes, sir.
If 2 and 3 are eigenvalues of A is equal to 3 times 5 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 3 5 7. Find the eigenvalues of eigenvalues of A inverse A Now what is saying, looking at the matrix, what you understand, this is 3 by 3 matrix, no doubt. Okay, 2 eigenvalues already given. So what values are given? Lambda 1, lambda 2, I know. So what I want to do now? I want to
So
find.
lambda 3 is 2, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you have to find
Yes,
lambda
sir.
3 first, then only you can attack for A inverse A cube. Without, you see, their twist is what? Unknownly, you have to, they are not telling what is the lambda 3, they are not asking. Directly, they are asking A inverse and A cube. To find A inverse A cube, if you want to go means what? First, you need lambda 3. Now, walking right, we know that is equal to how much, sir? 3 minus 3 plus 7. But who is lambda 1?
2,
2.
Lambda 3?
3.
Sorry, lambda 2 is 3, sorry. 7. So lambda 3 is equal to what?
2.
Now write. Eigenvalues of A is what? What? Two, 3,
3 and 2.
that is eigenvalues of A is 2, 3, 2. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I can play. Whatever maybe I can find out. It's not a big deal now. If I in my hand, lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 available is what? I can play what you want actually. Correct? Huh? Now A inverse eigenvalues are what?
So 1 by lambda
1
1
by
1 by 3 and 1 by 2, sir.
Better you can write, you will understand from where you got. So this fellow is equal to what? Any problem?
No, sir.
No problem. No, sir, no problem.
Okay. Now, A cube eigenvalues are what?
Sir,
Lambda
8, 27, 8.
27 and 8, sir.
What do you get?
8, 27, 8.
27 and 8.
Before that, what you want to write?
So lambda 1 cube,
Lambda 1
Lambda
cube,
one
lambda 2
cube,
cube, and lambda 3
lambda
cube.
3 cube.
Lambda 1 cube.
Lambda 2 cube and lambda 3 cube.
Because these fellows are origin actually. From this we are doing. Correct? Huh? So what you will get?
So 8,
8,
27,
27 and 8.
and 8.
8. Clear? Any problem, sir?
No, sir.
No
No, sir.
problem, sir.
But copy down fast. இப்போ நான் host பாத்தியா பண்ணலாம் நினைக்கிறேன் நம்ம கேட்க host ஆப்ஷன் ஓகே Okay. Now, okay, other problem I do. Take another question. Okay. two eigenvalues of, am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Two eigenvalues of A is equal to, two eigenvalues of A is equal to 4, 6, 6, 1, 3, 2, minus 1, minus 5, minus 2 are equal and they are doubly covered. They are doubly third. Find the eigenvalues of two eigenvalues are equal and the double of the third actually. How you will do? Two fellows are equal, that is double of the third.
25 by 16.
What?
Sir, 2
Is the
and
answer
1.
25 by 16.
5 by 16.
Sir,
Lambda
1
1 and
and
lambda
2
2 are
and
1
No,
and
no.
lambda 3 is 2.
Forget, wait. You can tell me how you will write lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. How they will appear first, tell me. Two fellows
lambda
are equal.
1 equal to lambda 2, sir.
Acha, okay.
And
Sir,
then
lambda 1 equals to 2 times lambda 3.
Yes, sir.
No, I need actually lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 are telling you, no. You can do lambda, other something into a lambda, something into lambda, or like that shape I need.
Lambda
Every-
1
Sir,
is
lambda,
2 lambda
plus
lambda.
half lambda is equal to 9.
Lambda 3 equals to lambda. Lambda 1 equals to lambda 2 equals to twice of lambda.
Yes, sir.
that I want actually in one shape. You said no 1, 2, 3. All you can tell in terms of lambda, you can tell me.
lambda 1 is equal to 2 lambda, lambda 2 is also equal to 2 lambda, and lambda 3 is equal to lambda.
Very good, nice. But now tell what are the eigenvalues? Now tell me. Correct.
1
2
and
You are
2.
on track.
2 lambda 3. 1, 2 and 2.
1, 2 and 1, sir. Sorry, 1, 2 and 2.
Don't give suffix. Already you are told nicely actually. Lambda, comma 2 lambda, comma
1,
2
1
lambda.
and 1.
Or not? Am I correct or not? Suppose if you take a third fellow a lambda, first
Sir,
two
2
are
lambda
equal.
3 plus
So
2
2
lambda.
lambda, 2 lambda.
Yes.
Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the three fellows are out there appearing actually. Can I write? Because always I am writing lambda, 2 lambda,
2 lambda.
2 lambda. Right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right or wrong say?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Clear? Okay, what I am doing? Maybe sometimes I may make mistakes. Tell me. Right or wrong? I don't know. I am asking you. What
Correct,
I am
sir.
right or wrong?
Yes, sir, it's correct.
If you
Yes,
say
sir.
correct, I will proceed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now 3 eigenvalues in my hand or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I will start play. But I know sum of these 3 fellows, one formula in my hand. So how can you write lambda plus 2 lambda plus 2 lambda is equal to what?
4 plus
5.
3 minus 2.
3 minus 2.
Very good. 4 plus 3 minus 2. So this fellow is equal to what?
5 lambda
5.
equal to 5.
This fellow is equal to 5. But this is what?
5 lambda.
Lambda is equal to 5. So lambda is
Lambda
equal to
equal
1.
to 1.
But my eigenvalues are what?
1,
1,
2 and 2.
Sir, it's 1, 2 and 2. Sir.
Very good. 1, 2, 2 are the eigenvalues of for whom?
A. A.
Very good. So,
Recommend it.
right. Eigenvalues of A is what? Tell me, sir. 1,
1, 2, 2.
2.
Now you can play. A square is what now?
1, 4, and
Lam-
4.
1, 4, and 4.
Over. Yes. LKG problem. Good. Nice.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, I'm a bit confused in this line of the question, and they are equal, and
What are
they
equal,
are
sir?
double the third.
Yes. Yes. Suppose if you consider as a lambda as a third fellow, first two fellows are equal. Lambda 1 is equal to lambda 2. But they are double of the third. Third I am choosing as a lambda. So is what? 2 lambda, 2 lambda. For order wise, I am written actually 1 to 2. But actually, if you want to speak truly, means what? 2 lambda, lambda I can write. That time you will understand. Lambda 1 is equal to 2, lambda 2 is equal to 2 lambda, lambda 3 is equal to lambda.
So the
Any doubts?
confusion I am facing is that I feel that first two are equal, and
Yes,
the third one is double of them.
they are double of the third.
Okay, sir. Okay.
They are double of the third. Third one is not double.
I couldn't comprehend, sir. Sorry.
Yes. If you take that condition, means what you will get? Tell me. Okay, I am coming to you. This problem is they are double of the third. What you said also, if I taken for granted as another problem, then frame now.
So then lambda, and 2
Very
lambda.
good. 2 lambda. Job is over. What is there? Clear.
So, but the total will be 4 lambda, not 5 lambda is equal
That
to
is
5.
in that case what you are feel that if I given the problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah.
Yes,
Third
sir.
one is the double of these two, means okay. What you said is correct.
Okay, sir.
But these two are the double of the third one. Third is 1 means what? These two fellows 2. Third is 4 means what? These two
8.
fellows are 8. Third is 10 means what? These two fellows are 20.
Yes,
Getting
sir.
or not?
Yes, sir.
So that is the way. If I say third one is the double of these two, means what? 1, 1, 2 you can take. So properly you can read. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Am I confusing lot?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Oh, okay. Now this problem you have to do, I don't do. Clear about?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, next 10 kg problem. Now you can tell me
Sir,
that who are the eigenvalues of A?
1, 3 and minus 2.
Very good.
3 minus 2.
LKG problem. Now you can find A square, you have A cube, you have to find multiply by 3, A square you have to find multiply by 5, A you have to find minus 6, 10 plus 2. All things if we add and you can give it single number. You can tell me 3 numbers fast. First you can find A cube, next A square, then A, then S2. Too fast, come on. Ball is in your court, you can play now. Three values you can tell me, you don't add, no need to, but if you want you can write A cube eigenvalues is, A square eigenvalues is, A values is, then all fellows you can add. Then final answer you can tell me. First you can write eigenvalues of A is 1, 3, minus 2, first you can start. Then you can do fast, come on.
So what you have to do after that, sir? After finding all eigenvalues.
What?
After finding all eigenvalues, what you have to do that, sir?
Tell the values, eigenvalues, values, tell me.
Sir, 410, 30.
For this equation, what are the eigenvalues, tell me.
For a square, eigenvalues are 1,
No,
I
no. A square I know, A cube no. If you this equation if you add, you will get one big matrix, you know. That matrix eigenvalues is asking.
Sir, 410, 30.
Huh?
Sir, 110, 4 and 10.
410, 30.
410 next third fellow is what?
30.
10, sir.
Sir, 10.
Somebody told another answer. What is that?
Sir, 30, sir,
Sir,
30.
13 wrong, sir. 13 wrong.
Sir,
wrong.
10.
10, sir.
Sir,
10.
10, sir.
How many of you 10? I don't know. What you will tell, I will write.
10, sir.
10, sir,
Sir,
10.
10, sir.
Now you are the teacher, I am student. What can I want to write? Tell me.
10, sir, 10.
10, sir.
No, now come on, tell me values.
4,
4,
110,
110.
10.
10.
10.
and 10.
10, sir.
Good. Correct, sir. Absolutely correct. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, if we are correct, why the 0 is having a bad face? Make it smile too.
Okay. Always don't laugh, yeah. Everyone will get anything. Sometimes we act as a seriously, but it's not serious. Act, like acting is required always. Okay, now happy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then I will start. Tomorrow also we have class. Then tomorrow we start one new topic. Maybe sir completed all sort of things, I think so. I have only little bit things only. One by one we both of you do. Next time, next onwards,
Sir,
one
sir, will you
unit
give us-
I will handle, one unit sir will handle.
Sir, will you give us question bank for this eigenvalue and eigenvector?
Assignment you complete or not? Some self
No,
work
sir.
they given.
After assignment, sir. After assignment.
I will
Any
do
question?
actually. Maybe textbook is there, from there you can do exercise sums.
Yes, sir, you
Sir,
have given the textbook.
there were questions, but it was very it was very difficult to navigate through the textbook, sir.
You first you can attack. If you don't get me, you can ask either sir or me. Anytime you can call and ask me, no problem. You can ask him also. We both ready to help you. Okay, first you can start do. Okay.
Okay, sir.
First you can attack, but small from what topic we are taking. First for small to tough problem you can go. Don't go first starting itself tough problem. Then slowly you will understand. Concept if you know means what, slowly you will understand. Sometimes one time it won't break means what, you can ask me, I will help you, or sir also help you. Okay, yeah. You can ask me, no problem. Any unit you can have full 5 minutes also can help me, I am ready to help. It's not a big deal. If I know, I will tell you. If I don't know means what, I will see and I will tell you. But you will get the solution, don't worry. Okay?
Sir, when is our exam?
What?
When is our exam? CT1?
Exams first in cycle test they announced something, I think, for maybe October 10 or something.
October 11th, sir.
11,
11.
sir.
October 11th.
11 means first B is what, maybe slot A. This is maths in slot B means maybe we get 12 like this. Cycle test one will contain full unit, first unit fully.
Sir, but we haven't done the first unit a lot part, right? So till 11th, how will we be able to complete that much?
It will complete, sir. 5 hours enough to complete whole syllabus. Why are you wondering? Till 11th, what will happen in the exam? Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
You don't worry. What we are doing, 10th, what we are doing, that only you will get. You don't enjoy your life. Okay?
Sir, objective or descriptive, sir?
We don't, maybe GCR means object only. So, for this is maybe descriptive what we are taking actually. To get object, you have to read textbook actually. Basic knowledge required. If you are very good only, you can able to do MCQ, otherwise highly impossible. There another instruction is what MCQ we should not send to people because we are asking exam. Previously we give the MCQ. We have a bunch of MCQ we can send to the students. Now we are not forwarding because examination MCQ they are asking, From textbook you can try somewhere. So trace like this something, trace what is this, what is symmetric matrix, what is two symmetric matrix. Like this maybe 1 mark like this they may ask. Correct? Huh? Because what we are taking, everything we are taking. Suppose if you turn up means what? The paper pattern should be old pattern. So like this, we are everything. Normally we are taking everything. Everything we are taking for last 2 years like this only we are taking. But question is MCQ only. Suppose if you are in online. Suppose suddenly if the October everything settled down, if you come up here means what? The things may be changed. Yes.
Sir, I have got, sir, 101 as lambda 2, sir.
1?
So 101.
What is
As a lambda 2, sir, middle part.
110 is correct.
Maybe he's moving that one is that side actually. Okay, come on. Give at least 217.
Present, sir.
18.
Present, sir.
19. 19. Absent. 20.
Present, sir.
21.
Present, sir.
22.
Present, sir.
23.
Present, sir.
24.
Present, sir.
25.
Sir, 19 present, sir.
25. Okay, 19%. 25 absent. 26.
Present, sir.
27.
Present, sir.
28. 28 absent. 29.
Present, sir.
30.
Present, sir.
31.
Present, sir.
32.
Present, sir.
33. 33 absent. 34.
Present, sir.
35.
Present, sir.
36.